Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV or some breaking news. A collaborative study by researchers from the University of Ottawa Health and Baylor College of Medicine has uncovered the crucial function of the default mode network in creativity using sophisticated brain imaging, highlighting possibilities for future therapeutic interventions. Have you ever had the solution for a tough problem suddenly hit you when you are thinking about something entirely different? Creative thought is a hallmark of humanity, but it is an ephemeral, almost paradoxical ability, striking unexpectedly when it is not sought out. And the neurological source of creativity, what's going on in our brains when you think outside the box, is similarly elusive. But now a researchers team led by a University of Utah Health researchers and based in Baylor College of Medicine has used a precise method of brain imaging to unveil how different parts of the brain work together in order to produce creative thought. Their findings were recently published in the journal Brain. The new results could ultimately help lead to interventions that spark creative thought or at people who have mental illness that disrupt these regions of the brain. Higher cognitive processes like creativity are especially hard to study. Unlike motor function or vision, they are not dependent on one specific location in the brain, says Ben Softy, MD, PhD, Assistant Professor of Neurosurgery in the Spencer Fox Eccles School of Medicine and senior author on the paper. There is not a creativity cortex, but there is evidence that creativity is a distinct brain function. Localized brain injury caused by stroke can lead to changes in creative ability, both positive and negative. But that discovery suggests that narrowing down the neurological basis of creativity is possible. Softy suspected that creative thought might rely strongly on parts of the brain that are also activated during meditation, daydreaming, and other internally focused types of thinking. This network of brain cells is the default mode network, so called because it is associated with the default patterns of thought that happen in the absence of specific mental tasks, unlike most of the functions that you have in the brain. It is not goal directed. Shortly says it is a network that basically operates all the time and maintains our spontaneous stream of consciousness. The DMN is spread out across many dispersed brain regions, making it more difficult to track its activity in real time. The researchers had to use an advanced method of brain activity imaging to understand what the network was doing moment to moment during creative thought. In a strategy most commonly used to pinpoint the location of seizures in patients with severe epilepsy, tiny electrodes are implanted in the brain to precisely track the electrical activity of multiple brain regions. BN's exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.